You I hate to say it, but you were probably the best in the state, if not the nation. So I cannot have this conversation with you without talking about COVID.
Yes.
And the reason, not so much, the aspect of the disease and everything else, but to really have you talk about your role, but more importantly, your leadership role, because having been in a lot of different meetings as we were going through that as a community, I was always very impressed with how you handled the information, how you handled all the questions and maybe the differing of opinions. I hate to say it, but you were probably the best in the state, if not the nation.
I think it was really like my past experience helped me navigate through that experience. So being a middle child and understanding I'm not going to always have my way. So that always helps with the ego to know that regardless of your position, you're coming in and you're going to hear both sides and you may walk away without getting your way. So there were a lot of people that we already had mutual respect for each other. So it was really easy to just basically tell them the truth. And even though all of this is over there, that's not what our data is showing here. I had to constantly remind people this is a novel virus, so we do not have all the answers. And I think there was a lot of political pressure for people to have all the answers. I just had to look them in the eye and say, we don't know for sure. And at this time, we think this is the best approach. And also, take care of you and your family. Do what's best for you and your family. And I think my biggest challenge was the judgment of others. And so just really trying to help people calm down, actually. There was a lot of chaos and, I guess, creation of chaos around that topic. And we just needed to calm down, understand it is novel, understand we don't have all the answers. And the best we can do is the best we can do at that time. Understanding that we might get more information next week and realize maybe that wasn't the best thing.